Hi everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I am here today with Edyta Sitar, and she is here for us teaching at our Missouri Star Academy. And it's not very often that you get like a whole trunk show of everything that's inside a book, but she brought all the quilts for this book called Little Handful of Scraps. Is that right?
Yes, Little Handful of Scraps.
It's a darling book. And how many patterns?
32 patterns, and it's small quilts, not miniature, just small. Many times I make a block and I practice a technique, and sometimes the block becomes a large quilt, or I go ahead and frame it and make a small little quilt.
So cute.
We have a lot of
So we're going to look at
quilts.
some of the quilts that are in this actual book. And there's a lot of them, so you're going to have to pay close attention here. Look at this one. How cute is this?
Yeah. There's a lot of ones that have piecing, some have applique in it, a little bit of everything.
Triangles.
Favorite, a log cabin.
Tiny strips.
Little 9 patches. And all the quilts are named after children or friends.
Cute.
They have all different names. Super, super fun. Look at how cute this one is, how simple.
And this would be amazing in a big quilt, wouldn't it?
Yes, wouldn't it? And finally, we can reuse all the little handful of scraps into a big ones.
Yep.
Yeah, little mix and match. Charm packs are perfect for those. Many of the measurements starts with 5-inch squares for those quilts.
Look at this one.
Yeah. You can truly fall in love with them.
You can. Yeah. How cute is this?
And I love the simple triangle.
And going. There's 32 of them in the whole book. And I just thought it was such a great idea because we don't get the chance to see the finished quilts often, you know, before we get a book. And oh my gosh, look at this one. The stars. I love those stars. So cute. Oh, and the baskets.
Yeah, this trunk show is nice to take. It's not a lot of big quilts. It's just a lot of little quilts.
But how pretty is that?
Yeah. Super fun. And notice that sometimes you need just a light and a dark just sew together, and what a little simple fun thing.
Absolutely,
you
darling.
can truly reuse the little handful of scraps.
So way down under here, let me get this book out one more time. Little Handful of Scraps by Edyta Sitar. Thanks for joining us.